Leg day, ang bigat diba? Pero mas mabigat ang dehydration. Kaya bago ka pang hinaan ng loob at muscles, Energy Echo Electrolyte Powder na ang sagot. Now in super refreshing grapefruit flavor. Hydrate, recover at lumakas palalo. Packed with essential electrolytes para iwas cramps and fatigue. Kaya kahit gaano kabigat ang buhat, kaya mo yan. More power, more endurance at syempre masulit na ngayon. I got this for 149 pesos only. Easy to mix, fast to absorb, at ultra refreshing. Ang perfect workout partner mo. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Click the yellow basket or check the comment section. And see you on my next video. This is Ace from the 12-Hour Shift. Have a good one. Bye for now.